Awareness campaigns are designed for visibility and reach. They introduce your brand to new people but don't focus on actions. Conversion campaigns, on the other hand, are optimized to drive specific results like purchases, sign-ups, or leads. Awareness is top of the funnel, creating familiarity and recognition. Conversion is bottom of the funnel, turning interest into measurable outcomes. Both are important. Awareness builds an audience while conversion drives revenue. For example, a new brand might first run awareness ads and then retarget those audiences with conversion campaigns for sales.
इस टॉपिक के बारे में और डिटेल में पढ़ने के लिए या हमारे ऑनलाइन कोर्स में एडमिशन लेने के लिए वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए लिंक पे क्लिक करें। धन्यवाद।